Good morning, YouTube. Today is April 10th, and it is about 8 o'clock right now. I am at the gym waiting on my friend Shawn, who you saw last video. That's the guy that I stood up twice so far, but I'm here today. So my weigh-in was a 215.8, which I'm really happy about because I believe that's a new low weigh-in, and actually that's probably the lowest weight that I've been at since this time last year. My body fat percentage is not exactly where I'd like it to be at. I think that the scale was pretty accurate. I got a new scale, by the way, and it tells me, you know, my body fat percentage, how much water weight I'm carrying, my bone density. I don't know if that's all 100% accurate, and I really doubt that it is. I'm gonna take the body fat percentage as fairly accurate because it, from what I can tell, it looks about right. I think I'm holding about 25% on me. We still have plenty of weight to lose on this cut. Like I told you guys, I wanted to get down to like 185, 190. A 36 waist is like the lowest or the slimmest that I've been, and I'm actually smaller than a 36 now because my 36 are starting to get a little baggy on me, which is different because last time I got down to 205 in February of 2016. The 36 fit me pretty nicely. What that tells me is that now, even though I weigh more at this point, there's more muscle on my body than there was then, which is definitely a plus. We're about to get into the gym with Shawn as soon as he gets here, wherever he is. I don't know if this is punishment for me standing him up last time. Today is another push day, and I'm sorry that you guys are pretty much only seeing push days. It's just that Mondays are like the easy days for me to record, mainly because I don't really have school or work on Mondays. I think that's him right there. That's him. See you guys inside. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that edit. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today. That was my first edit though that I've really ever published. I've been doing a few here and there for friends just as practice. But please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you did like it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, feel free to give it a thumbs down. Honestly, I'm just looking for any kind of feedback at this point. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I will talk to you next time.